Hello? Police, sir.
Brooklyn Square.
Police, right now.
Brooklyn Square.
Brooklyn Square.
We come to Brooklyn Square. They're stealing cash machines.
Hello, emergency. There is a huge robbery going on at Sainsbury's local, Brooklyn. They have just brought a JCB onto Brooklyn Square and pulled the ATM out of the shop. They are driving away
They're
right
driving
now.
away right now.
I cannot. We have got it on camera.
Oh my God.
They have just sped
Oh
off
my God.
and they have taken the ATM.